the big news coming in. And remember, these are two senior leaders, member of parliament. One is a vice president, one is also a veteran actor. And therefore, them sparring have led to a lot of reactions coming in on this. All right, Dola Singh is joining me, TMC MP, for the latest. Ma'am, what exactly happened? Because this, in many ways, also doesn't look good to an Indian citizen watching when the Rajya Sabha chair and the senior member of parliament are literally in a war of words.
Yes, it's very unfortunate to be an Indian and to see that there is a comment from the chair today morning to a senior member of parliament from Congress, incidentally, that you are a nuisance. To someone else from the chair, you are buddhihin. We are very unfortunately sorry to see such a comment below the belt from the chair. It's not done. And with that respect, against that comment, buddhihin or nuisance from the chair, only Jaya Bachchan ji, Jaya Didi, stood up and took the permission from the chair and told him that we are very sorry, but we are not liking the tone from the chair. And the chair told her, Jaya ji, in reply, that you may be whoever, you may be a celebrity, you may be an actor, but here is the director in the chair, you have to listen to me. And I am directing you, etc., etc. I beg your pardon, I beg the pardon of the chair. I'm sorry to hear it from the chair. It's very unfortunate.
Dola, why do you think that Jaya Bachchan here... Yes, Jaya Bachchan is on the right side. Yes. Why do you think she's on the right side? Because many would say her tone and her choice of words were also... were not helping the situation.
She has come here as an elected member of parliament for 4 times. She has come here as an elected member of parliament for 4 times. She has not come here as a celebrity.
No, that is a fair point. That I mean, there has most of these MPs in Rajya Sabha have some creative or any other background. But Dola, why do you think that the blame is solely on the Rajya Sabha chair, and perhaps could Jaya Bachchan have kept her calm rather than adding to the kind of tension we saw?
Listen, dear anchor. I may be a carpenter. I may be a farmer, I may be an actor, I may be a social worker, I may be illiterate. Who doesn't matter? Who cares? Here we are as an elected member of parliament from each one state. So we are celebrity or not,
correct,
we are actor or not, it's not our recognition over here. It's not our identity over here. Jaya Bachchan has not come here as a celebrity. She has come here as an elected member of parliament for 4 times.
What do you think should happen here on in the parliament?
Has sent her to parliament.
What do you think should happen here on, so that we do not see a repeat of the kind of the war of words and not in the best way that happened between the
We are sorry to hear from the chair that kabhi nuisance, kabhi buddhihin, kabhi celebrity, kabhi actor, director. We don't want to hear these type of comments from the chair. That's it.
Okay, fair enough. Dola Singh, I appreciate you joining us with your views. Dola Singh is saying that it's basically what the Rajya Sabha chair had said, referring to Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar about the views that were spoken and the kind of choice of words. They felt it was targeting Jaya Bachchan specifically, to which she had immediately raised a point. And we can again listen in to what exactly happened that led to Jaya Bachchan turn fiery full on in the parliament.
और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा. सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ. मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ. और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair. And I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Once again, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, seat given to you. No, don't applaud now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing.
Piyush Mishra continues to be with us on this. Piyush, it's definitely disturbing on one side. Now, of course, there will be support camps, those who are in favor of Jaya Bachchan saying that she was being insulted deliberately. Many would say that was no way to speak. Rajya Sabha chair should have kept the tone down. What do you think is currently the sentiment on the ground? What are the leaders saying? What happened? And is this unprecedented or is it going to become more common now?
Well, one thing is absolutely clear, Pooja, that the India Alliance opposition is of the view that Jagdeep Dhankar must apologize because they feel that Jaya Bachchan has been humiliated, and that is why we saw as to how the leaders of various opposition political parties were seen standing with Jaya Bachchan right in front of Pakar Roy when she was speaking to media. From the leaders like Sonia Gandhi to Priyanka Chaturvedi to Dola Sen from TMC. So we are now seeing as to how the India Alliance is speaking in one voice as far as supporting Jaya Bachchan is concerned. It all started when the discussion was taking place in Rajya Sabha. The proceedings were going on at around 12:13. The turn of Jaya Bachchan came and her name was announced as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. Soon after that, we saw how Jaya Bachchan raised objections to that, and she said that she has reservations over the tone and tenor being used while her name is being pronounced. While she was saying that, Jagdeep Dhankar was sitting on the chair also said that Jayaji, you may be anybody, you may be a celebrity, but you will have to follow the decorum and you will have to maintain the decorum. After that, we saw how the India Alliance oppositions walked out, and now they are demanding that Jagdeep Dhankar should apologize. And it all started with the words those were allegedly used by Jagdeep Dhankar, BJP MP, against Mallikarjun Kharge. Now what we are learning is that the government has also upped the ante against the opposition. Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, JP Nadda, has now moved a censure motion against the opposition's conduct, which is also called as Ninda Prastav against the opposition conduct.